Hai kiddos, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Retail Challenge of Mutiara English Fest 2022. Schedule of competition. The opening of Mutiara English Fest 2022 will be held on December 2022. For Preliminary 1 Session 1 will be held on 5th until 6th January 2023. Preliminary 1 Session 2 will be held on 13th January 2023. For Preliminary 2 will be held on 19th January 2023. For the semi-final round will be held on 26th January 2023. For the final round will be held on 28th January 2023. And the last event is Gebiar of Mutiara English Fest of 2022 will be held on 4th February 2023.
Hello Ami-Fellas, how are you today? Alhamdulillah, always better and better. Congratulations kiddos for passing the round of Preliminary 2. Wow, it's been such a wonderful journey. Welcome to the semi-final round of Mutiara English Fest Retail Challenge 2020. We are beyond proud of you all have come so far. We are so excited to meet you on the semi-final. When will it be? It will be held on Thursday, 26 January 2023. So, prepare yourself by reading the book, telling the content of the book, and preparing to answer the question from the judges. See you on the semi-final, kiddos! Read the challenge, be a marvelous speaker! What are the rules? Let's check it out.
Okay, Alfia, welcome to semi-final round and congratulations for qualified in preliminary 2.
Okay, Kak Alfia, in the semi-final round, you need to pass 3 sections. The first one is read aloud, and the second one is retelling about the book that have you read before. Ustazah give you 2 minutes to explaining. And the last, you need to answer 2 questions from Ustazah in 2 minutes.
Okay, thank you Ustazah for the time. The social butterfly. Charlotte loved being with her friends. She loved playing dolls with Lily, dress up with Etta, house with Ben, and church with Max. And Charlotte was quite good at making new friends too. She made friends at the store, at the library, and at school. Charlotte loved school. She loved learning and she loved being with her friends. But sometimes she tried to do both at the same time. During morning meetings, she kind of listened to Miss Flora, but she mostly whispered with her friends. At reading time, Charlotte finished her book. She wanted to talk with Etta, but when she was talking, Etta couldn't read. Then it was math time. Charlotte was one of the first to finish the worksheet. She wanted to sing with Max, but when she was singing, Max couldn't focus on anything. Charlotte sat next to Lily during math. She waited until Lily finished her worksheet before she told her a joke. She ate lunch next to Ben. They talked a little, but they finished all of their food. And when it was time to go outside, Charlotte was ready to run, talk, sing, and play. And so were her friends. This book tells about a brilliant girl. Her name is Charlotte. Charlotte is an extrovert girl. It means that she loves to interact with other people. Charlotte is also known as the social butterfly. She loves socializing with other people. At school, Charlotte loved doing many activities. She loved playing dolls, she loved playing house, loved learning, running, and singing. Wow, she loved many activities. But one thing she loved the most is doing all of those activities with her friends. And she has many friends. Their names are Ben, Lily, Max, and Etta. And because of her personality, Charlotte didn't realize that she disturbed her friends while they are doing activities. And this made all of her friends stop talking to her.
Okay, good job, Alfia. The time is up.
Okay, good job, Alfia. Now you need to answer our questions in 2 minutes. Okay, Charlotte loves many kinds of activities. In your opinion, can you describe what is the activities that she loved the most?
Okay, thank you, Ustazah, for the question. I will try to answer the question. In my opinion, she loved playing with her friends, such as playing doll, playing house, playing truck with her friends. Also, she loved learning, running, and singing.
Okay, Alfia. Next, this is the second question. Why did Charlotte cry in front of Miss Flora during recess time? Explain the reasons.
Okay, I can find 3 reasons why she was crying. First, because all of her friends didn't want to talk with her. Second, because Charlotte was too busy caring about herself while not caring about her friends. And the last, because she didn't give her friends time to do their responsibilities.
So, are you ready, kiddos? Prepare yourself